are doing the most exciting video and the most requested video today. What's in my bag? Okay, so first up, a little bit about my beautiful bag. This is a Marc Jacobs bag, and it has all these really cool pockets and lots of space. My sister got me this as a birthday / trip present. If you haven't watched my earlier unboxing video, I will link it here where I unbox this beauty. I've added some charms on, and I've actually got a few more that I want to add and do stuff with, but I haven't gotten there yet. But I am obsessed with this bag. Okay, so I've been using my orange Telfa bag forever, which you guys have all seen. I still love it and I still use it on some days, but I feel like with this bag, it's just more universal because it's black, it's easy to pair with things, and that was my sister's reasoning for getting it for me. She was like, I know you have a lot of like colorful bags, but I know you need like a good, nice, big black bag, and she knows I love Marc Jacobs, so this is my bag. Okay, now what's in the bag? Let me just tilt it to show you guys a little bit. It's huge, it's roomy. Okay, like you can see it's half empty right now because this is kind of how I keep it, because I'm always throwing in like shoot stuff, random stuff, vlog cam, all of that, so I need space for that. It has 3 major compartments which are great. So there's this one and this one which are just open similar. This one is actually padded, so it's kind of like your iPad / like laptop compartment, but I actually use it to keep all my stuff secure, and I leave these 2 khali to just put in whatever I want to put in, because anyways with my laptop I usually have my whole case with all, you know, the bits and bobs, which fits in perfectly with this as well. So yeah, what do we have in my bag? Let me show you. I've just put in my iPad here because usually I travel with my iPad and not my laptop a lot unless I'm going like from home to home. If I'm just out working and I want to get some stuff done, this is what I use. This is the iPad Pro, so it's pretty large, but it fits in pretty seamlessly. You can see there's a chata also here and it slides in. Otherwise, I usually just use this whole compartment for my MacBook Pro with the cover, which also fits in. The cover sticks out a bit, but it's orange, so I don't mind. So I'm just gonna empty it, take out everything so you guys can see. First thing, iPad. Then we have a chata. Okay, so I usually either keep my umbrella or my raincoat. It also fits my raincoat with the cover very comfortably and easily, but this is like kind of smaller and easier to carry right now, so I use this. This umbrella I randomly bought on one of my trips. Where did I buy this? I remember I was with Vaibhav traveling abroad and I saw a neon umbrella and I was like, if it was neon orange, it would be perfect, but this is close to perfect, so I'll get it. So I got it. It's quite actually, like it looks short, but it's quite big, okay? It's not like the sturdiest, it's rather flimsy and like puss types, but gets the job done. So now you can see this whole pocket is actually khali, so you can see how big it is and how much stuff you can actually fit in, like, which is pretty insane, which is what I love about this bag, because there's just so much space. Then we have the second compartment, which has the zip and all of that, and also like has like another pouch. So this part is basically where I keep my phone, obviously, because I like to get my phone, like have my phone at easy access. We have my bag in bag, which is still the same tiny Zara bag. Do you guys remember this bag? And all it has is money right now, because so this is actually for my quick fix. I actually need a new small bag in bag because it's now fully gone. As you can see, Bichari has seen better days and she's not looking great anymore. But this is basically for when I don't want to carry this, if I want to leave my big bag in the car and just, you know, take this and walk out like this, or if I'm just running out to kind of pay something and I don't want to take the whole bag, or if I'm running errands here and I don't want to take my big bag, just take this. So I always have a little bag in bag, which is always the case. This needs to be replaced, so yeah, looking for a new bag in bag. Then we have this. What is this? It's not a necklace, guys. It's a phone chain. So you remember my daily objects ka phone ka thingamajig that I made, like my jugaad, which I did in my thing. It works very well. This is actually a bag ka strap that I really like to use. So what I do is, when I don't want to carry anything and I just want to take my phone, I use this on my phone because it's a really cool looking strap and it's a heavy strap. So it's not like a really light, but it looks very like cool and funky. And this is how I usually keep my phone. Again, if I'm not taking my bag and I just want to take my phone. I think this is empty. Oh no, we have a giant safety pin. Okay, so I just bought this. This is legit, guys. It's a legit safety pin. Like, it's a legit safety pin. Okay, so I was buying DIY supplies lately and I thought this would be just really cool if I want to do like, you know, those scarf like tops where you like pin one side and use one side. I also thought it would be really cool to add with my bag charms, which is why it's still lying in my bag, like just as a random like pin, you know what I mean? Like, or just pin like this way and join it with something else here. Like, I feel like it's just such a statement piece because I don't think I'm going to use it every day with like scarves and otherwise, but I'm very excited about my safety pin. So yeah, I was thinking of something like this basically, where I tie maybe like a ribbon or something and join it and you know. So yeah, taking a minute to tell you guys about my charms. This is my Rexy from Coach, which is very old. He's seen better days, but I've sprayed his hair recently and he's doing well. His mohawk is back in action. This one is from Hermes, which was a gift. I also have a lot more that I want to kind of use and charm, but this is my new guy. What do you guys think? Then we have, okay, the main pocket. Okay, now isme whatever's there. Actually, wait till I go through the actual zipper with all the kachra. Let me remove from the middle pocket. So this is what I was saying, has like, you know, a padded bit and you can actually use it for your device. So you don't really need to carry like your, you know, any of your like laptop cover, all that. You can just directly put it in. But then I feel like I have all these little loose bits and bobbers which will fall out. So I thought might as well just, you know, use that as one secure thing. So even if my bag topples, whatever, there's just other stuff. Number one, wipes. Both have one or two left, so I just have them. I feel like I bought these on one of my trips when I was traveling, which is why they're Guardian like pharmacy wipes. But once I usually finish these, I keep like that Dettol wipes or whatever, because I don't usually use them on my face. It's more for my hands and stuff when I'm traveling, or if I've you know, eaten with my hand, before eating with my hands, I want to like wipe them, stuff like that, because I'm kind of off sanitizer. Like, I can't believe I've said that after all these years. I don't have a sanitizer in my bag right now, guys. I do not have sanitizer anymore. We've reached that point. So I remember the last one that finished, I was about to be like, oh shit, I need to buy new sanitizer. And then I was like, you know what? I have my wipes. I'm good. And I didn't buy it. And I haven't gone back to sanitizing since then. Wow. Just realized that. Then we have obviously regular tissue, which is a must. Then something else. What are these? These are my shades. Okay, so shades, you know, it's really strange. I'm a person that loves the way they look, but I find like I don't like the way they feel. Like, I just feel like everything's very dark. So I don't wear my shades a lot other than for like fashion and style. Like, these are really cool. These are Ray-Ban, and I love them. Like, I love the like tininess of it also, because then I can see the rest of the world around me and I just feel cool with them. You know what I mean? Like, they're really cool. But otherwise, I usually have like a pair of aviators or one classic black pair, which works with everything. And I usually tend to throw them on when I want a cool picture, and then I put them back in the case, if I'm being honest with you. There are not that many opportunities where I wear my shades that much, like all the time. Then next we have perfume. So this is my Chance by Chanel Travel Edition, which is almost over. I have to put in a new refill. So basically I buy this with the refills because you get like this and you put them in, and like bus, it's like one of my favorite perfumes ever. And I feel like this is the most convenient one to carry because it's super light and it's the right allowance for like flights and for life and like anywhere. Like, no one will stop you with this ever. This is definitely one of my favorite perfumes. I've also done a huge perfume video. We'll link it here for you guys that haven't seen it. We have a few things in there. Okay. So this pouch, I don't know how many years I've honestly been using this pouch for. It came with some PR package. I don't even remember what. I don't know. I've never replaced it. I feel like there's a nostalgia value attached to it because it kind of feels like a, you know, like a pencil box that I used to carry in school. And also it just fits all my stuff. So this is like my emergency kind of pouch, okay, which I will show you guys what's inside, because it's basically, I'll spread it out on a table maybe and show you, because it's easier that way. But I'll also show you what I have in it. These are some medicines that I need, stuff that I always want to have in my bag. First up, Panty Liners, always have them. Then we have tampons. Again, I always keep a couple, because I feel like if someone asks me for one and then I forget to, like, you know, restock in my own bag, and then I'll need one, so I always keep two panty liners, 2 tampons. Medicine wise, we just have like my basics, like my you know, diarrhea medicine, headache, stomach ache, stuff like that, nothing like fancy. Then we have 2 alcohol swab packets. Now this is like if you injure yourself and you want to kind of clean the wound, or I don't know why else I have them, but I have them in my kit. Samahan. If you don't know, I'm obsessed with Samahan, then you've not been a subscriber for long enough. Basically, it's just a herbal chai, which is great for like a bad throat, cold, all of that. And I just keep this as SOS, because I feel ever since I've had TB, I do have a bit of an allergic cough. So I tend to do a and a lot of it has become habit, where I feel like, oh, my throat is not clear, I keep doing so I keep this, because when I'm doing like maybe an event, or I'm talking, you know, I'm doing a speech, before that I like to have like a sachet of Samahan with hot water to just keep my throat clear and like loud and all of those things. So always have Samahan. Then we have this from one of the hotel kits basically that I stole. It's everything, the nail file, band-aid, earbuds. So earbuds I actually keep honestly for makeup, because sometimes, you know, your mascara bleeds and stuff and you just want to kind of like clear that bit out or whatever. Otherwise also I used to keep like 2 earbuds in my thing. So I just stole this from one of the hotels because I was like, it's perfect from the bathroom. I also used to keep a different metal nail file, but then I'd always get stopped at the metal detectors, and also I feel like this is better. So yeah. Then we have some hair clips and hair ties. So these are just the extra hair ties and clips for when my hair is open and suddenly I want to tie it, clip it. Always have them. Some fashion tape. Now what is this? This is basically tape that when you want to stick like your clothes to your skin, or in between, you know, you feel like your hem has come undone or whatever. So I always have like 2 of these just in case for emergencies, if there's an situation like a fashion emergency. But yeah, I have a whole box. I can actually show you guys which one. This is the one. It basically looks like this, and you can like stick it to whatever, but I usually keep like 2 in my bag. Then we have a lipstick. So now this one is by Natasha Moor, and I keep this because this is the one with the mirror. So I have a lot of other lipsticks also in my bag, which I keep changing. Like if I'm using a tint right now, I'll throw it in and then, you know, replace it. This one always stays in my bag because it has like the mirror and it's easy to use, and it's a beautiful color. So this is my SOS lipstick for whenever I want to throw on lipstick, because most of the time I wear Balm. So yeah, this always stays in my bag. Some passport size photos. Okay, so always have these for whatever emergencies or work or whatever. I have quite the series because my hair keeps changing, and then I'm suddenly like, oh, which kind of hair do I have right now? So this is the current version. We also have like my pixie version and my other longer front, shorter back version to kind of figure, depending on whatever my current shakal and hair is like in a like situation. So when I need a sudden photo, obviously these are not like for visas and stuff because those are specific. This is for when you just have to put it on some form and they're like photo. And I'm like, new addition to the bag is this guy. Okay, so I feel like a lot of the times, especially post the pandemic, a lot of my chappal and shoes ka soles are coming apart. Okay, this has happened 2-3 times. So you saw in my Bangalore vlog, I think, where like my heel came apart and I had to ask the hotel for some gum. Or even again, the other day, my sandals just completely broke while I was at the mall, and then I had to get a pedicure to steal their pedicure chappals and leave in those. So ever since that episode, I'm like, you know what? I'm just adding some super glue to my bag because why not? I have so much shit. Add this. Then we have my Asho Farohar, which is like part of like the Zoroastrian faith that I follow. I don't usually wear it every day, but I just feel like I like to keep it in my bag because it's always with me. So always have that. And yeah, that's what's in the little pouch. There's nothing else in this pouch, but a lot came out of it, right? Still have some other things in the big pocket, but I feel like they're random. Oh my god, I have belly rings here. Oh yes. Okay, so I found some belly rings the other day, and I put them in my bag to bring them here and remember about them, but I totally forgot. So yeah, I also apparently walk around with belly rings, which I've been doing for the last 1 week. I haven't changed mine in years, you know, and I feel like now I'm in that zone where I'm like, I want to change my belly ring just for fun, like how I did when I was 16. So yeah, some belly rings. Then the last thing in this pocket, actually last two things. One is my medication for my allergic cough when it flares up, which I have just thrown in, which is why it's not in the pouch, but it should be in the pouch actually. So bad cherry. And then we have this guy. So this is Happydent, again just SOS gum, which I feel like is stuck together, right? Yeah, it's all chipko together, which is why there's no khad happening. Little khad is happening now. Yeah, just some gum for good breath. Now we come to the big pocket. Okay, so this one is the main like zipper pocket, which has a lot of little stuff. So I'm gonna try and remove it all here maybe, and then go through it because there's a lot, like, and it's just random stuff, if you know what I mean. Because that's the pocket I tend to throw things into, like just in general, and I don't know, I lose them and then I never find them again. Ah! First up, some balms and tints. Obviously, I keep quite a few. These are my usual Burts Bees, Rose and Hibiscus, which I use pretty much all the time, like every day. I also have this one, which is Black Honey from Clinique, which I like to layer with my balms. And then this is one of the Benefit tints, like what I'm wearing today. Basically, yesterday, this is what I used through the day and then threw it into the bag. That's what I do. So that's what I mean, that the other tints and stuff are on rotation. These three are usually always in my bag. This is like whatever I'm using goes in. Then we have obviously my AirPods. Whenever I'm like out for work and stuff, I'm always carrying them because then I do my stuff on my phone and all of that. So always have these. Keys. So we have house keys for both houses always, and they are the same keychains that I've been using for a while, nothing fancy. So we will find a lot of jewelry because I tend to throw in things and wear them on the way to events and stuff like that. So this is from the last few days. I've thrown in this at one point, which is my silver heart thing. So you will always find random jewelry bits in my bag because till I clean my bag every few weeks, I keep throwing in things, wearing one thing, removing one thing, and there's always like random jewelry. As I said, more random jewelry and my cards and cash, because that is like my usual stuff. These are all just bills, cards, cash, nothing exciting, and more jewelry. Some mascara because yesterday I had a bunch of shoots and events. Otherwise, it's not usually in my bag. As I said, I throw in my tint and like makeup if I need it. And last but not the least, some Gud Gum in lemon flavor, which is my favorite. So this is actually in the main pocket because I use this one more than the Happydent one. The Happydent one I just use like if I feel like, oh, I've got bad breath and I need the mint, then I do so 2-3 in my mouth. But usually this is the one I use. So guys, yeah, that is pretty much everything. Bag is khali and yeah, it's huge. As I said, it fits like the whole world, which is why I really like it. I feel like small bags for me are a no-no because, as you know, I need my whole life with me. This really works because you can put a ton of stuff in, also carry my iPad or my, you know, laptop and all of those things which I'm always with. So yeah, that's what's in my bag. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below with what you carry in your bag. And yeah, maybe we'll do one of these in a few months again. See you guys. Bye.